Hello friends, welcome to Art with Aruna, and today we are going to learn BODMAS rule. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start. BODMAS rule. In BODMAS rule, B stands for brackets, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So exactly BODMAS rule is used to decide which operation in the given expression is going to be solved first. According to BODMAS rule, brackets have the highest priorities. We have four different types of brackets in mathematical expression, and the vinculum or line or bar brackets have the highest priority, where the numbers are written under the line. The second highest priority bracket is small bracket, where the numbers are written between the parentheses. Third highest priority bracket is middle or curly bracket, which is written like this. Fourth highest priority bracket is rectangle or big bracket, where the numbers are written between the rectangle brackets. Next is off operation. In BODMAS rule, after bracket, off have the second highest priority, and here off means multiplication. Let's understand BODMAS rule with the help of few examples. Our first example is 5 cross 3 minus 8 divided by 2 plus 7. So here let's check according to the BODMAS rule. Here we don't have brackets. The next we will check for the off. We don't have off. Then we will check for the division. When we go from left to right, always keep in mind whenever we go for the BODMAS rule, we have to move from left to right. So here when we move from left to right, we check, yes, we have here division. So here first of all we need to solve division here. So here we will copy the rest of the numbers as it is. So 5 is as it is, cross is as it is, 3 is as it is, minus is as it is. But when we divide 8 by 2, we get answer 4. So here we will write the 4. Then as we are done with this step, copy the plus sign as it is here, then 7. The next step which we need to look in this expression is, after division we need to go for the multiplication. So here we got the multiplication sign. So in the next step we need to solve the multiplication, that is 5 cross 3, and we know that 5 cross 3, that is 15. So here we will write directly 15, then minus 4, then plus 7. Again we will look for the BODMAS rule. So here after multiplication we will look for the addition, and here you can see that here in 15 we don't have any sign here. It means it is having plus. So here you can see that we have plus 15, minus 4 and plus 7. So we will check only for the plus values. Here we need to solve 15 plus 7. We need to add all the positive values. 15 plus 7, that is 22. So here we will write 22. Now minus 4 is as it is. Now we need to subtract 4 from 22. So here we know that 22 minus 4 is 18. So here we got 18. So this is the solution for our given expression. Here is our second example. Here you can see that we have rectangle bracket, we have curly bracket, and we have parenthesis. And according to the BODMAS rule, small bracket have the highest priority, then curly bracket, and at last we need to solve the rectangle bracket according to their priorities. So here we need to solve this parenthesis or small bracket first, and here you can see that in small bracket also we have two operators, that is minus and off, and out of this off have the higher priority over the subtraction. So here we need to solve off first. So here we need to write down the rest of the digits as it is. So here 36 minus curly bracket 5 cross 4 plus 38 minus. Now 5 of 6 means we can replace this off by cross sign, and 5 cross 6 is 30. So here we can write down the solution, that is 30. Curly bracket, rectangle bracket. Now here in the next step we have pending with the one operator here in parenthesis, so we need to solve this. So here 19 as it is, off as it is, rectangle bracket, 36 minus curly bracket, 5 cross 4 plus. Now here we need to solve 38 minus 30, and we know that 38 minus 30, that is 8, and here we got 8, and as we have only single value here, so we can eliminate the parenthesis from here, and the result of this operation is now part of the curly bracket. Now next we need to solve the curly bracket. So here you can see that in curly bracket we have two operators, that is multiplication and plus, and multiplication have the higher priority over the plus sign. So in the next step we need to solve the multiplication of 5 and 4. So here we can write 36 minus, now curly bracket, 5 cross 4 is 20. So we need to replace here by 20 plus 8, curly bracket, rectangle. Then we have still one operation here to solve. So here we will write the 19 of 36 minus. Now we need to solve 20 plus 8, and we know that 20 plus 8 is 28. So we can replace this by 28, and as we got one value here, so we can eliminate curly bracket here, and the result of curly bracket is now part of the rectangle bracket. Now next we need to solve the rectangle bracket. 19 of 36 minus 28 is 8, and again we got the single value. So here we got the single value, so we can eliminate this rectangle bracket here. So here you can see that whenever we get single value from brackets, we can eliminate the brackets. Now we know that we can replace this off sign by multiplication. So here we can write cross sign or multiplication sign instead of this off. 8 times 19 is 152. This is our third example. Here you can see that we have bar bracket, curly bracket, parenthesis, and according to the BODMAS rule, bar bracket have the highest priority, then small bracket, and then curly bracket. So here first of all we need to solve the bar bracket. But here you can see that we have curly bracket and we have parenthesis, and both are separate from each other. So just to save the time, we can solve both the brackets at the same time. So in the next step we are going to solve this bar bracket here. At the same time we can solve 3 cross 5 also. So here 52 plus 3, curly bracket, 38 minus 17 minus 13. Bar of 17 minus 13 is 4. So here we can eliminate bar here as we got the single value. Curly bracket plus 3 cross 5, that is 15. So here it is 15 minus 12. Now in the next step we need to solve 38 minus 4 and 15 minus 12. So here 52 plus 3, here 38 minus 4, that is 34, plus 3, 15 minus 12, that is 3. Here you can see that 38 minus 4 we got single value, that is 34, but still we are not able to eliminate curly bracket here. At the same time when we did 15 minus 12 we got 3, and still we have parentheses here, because here you can see in both the cases we don't have any sign between 3 and 34, 3 and 3. So here when we don't have any sign between a number outside the bracket and inside the bracket, it means there is a multiplication sign. So here in the next step we need to solve this multiplication sign first. So here 52 plus. Now 3 cross 34, that is 102 plus 3 cross 3, that is 9. So here when we perform this multiplication sign, we can eliminate the bracket. Now we need to solve 52 plus 102 plus 9, that is 163. This is our fourth and last example. Here we have multiplication sign, division of minus and plus sign, and out of these we know that of having the highest priority. So in the first step we are going to solve 16 of 8. So we need to write down the rest of the digits as it is. We know that 16 of 8 of can be replaced by cross sign. 16 cross 8 is 128. So here we need to write down 128 minus 50 cross 3 plus 100. Now in the next step we need to solve division sign, and here we need to solve 4 divided by 128. Here you can see that 4 is less than the 128. So in such type of questions, instead of dividing 4 by a big number, that is 128, and write down the result in decimal form, we can represent the division in the form of fraction like this. Copy rest of the digits as it is. Now we need to solve the multiplication sign. We can cut the 64 by 128. 1 times 64 is 64. 2 times 64 is 128. 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. Here we have 2 minus 50 cross 3, that is 150 plus 100. Here you can see that there is no sign present before 2, and by default if any number don't have any sign, it means there is a plus. Now we need to solve all the plus. So here 100 plus 2, that is 102 minus 150. And now 102 minus 150 is 48, and as here you can see that 150 is bigger than 102. 150 contains minus as a sign, so we need to put minus sign here. So here we got the answer. Thanks for watching friends. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. Thank you.